How to turn off the green privacy indicator on your Android phone? Here's how. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. At the top, you'll see which privacy feature is currently being used, such as the camera, microphone, or location, along with the app that's using it. Tap on the app name. You'll now see a list of the apps currently using that privacy feature. Tap on the app you want to manage. This will take you directly to that app's permission settings. Now, change the permission to your preference. For example, you can turn camera or microphone off, or set location to allow while using the app, ask next time, or never. Once the app is no longer using that permission, the privacy indicator will disappear. That's it. You've successfully managed the privacy indicator on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.